I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to set up a default lookup group to make your searching and navigating the CRM much easier. So as you currently know, you can right-click on accounts, you can right-click on contacts or opportunities and select lookup. And when you do that, you get your lookup menu. Now these options that are in the drop-down to look up by are generated by the group layout that you have set as your default. And I'll show you how to set that default in the tools menu in just a moment. But let's start by making our default layout group. So click the plus sign and open your new group and let's name it. Don't put any conditions on it so that all the accounts pull in. And the key to setting this up is your layout. So again, any items that you put here in this layout will be populated in that drop-down. So let's say that you no longer want subtype, so you can delete that. But let's say you want to be able to access contacts without having to click back and forth between. So you go here to your layout and select contact, come over here and find the name. Double click to add it to your layout. Use your buttons here. You can reorder how it shows. Again, that will reorder your list that you search by. So if you know that you're going to be searching by account and contact name the most, put those as the first two options. This is another cool trick for when you're using this group is take this field and hit edit. And right here is a box called entity linked. When you check that, it's going to hyperlink the contact name and allow you to jump right to the contact from the account table. Let's also say that it would be useful to search up opportunities you have. Click the opportunity table and let's find opportunity description. Let's move it over because we know we're going to use that a lot. And let's link that entity as well. So now all from an account group, you can quickly jump between contacts and opportunities without doing multiple searches. So let's hit OK. And it will populate your group. And the first thing I'll show you is this. So as you can see, your account is always as hyperlinked, but now so is your contact and so is your opportunity description. Well, this isn't a good name because it just says description and you don't know what that is. So let me show you how to fix that. Some of these default names aren't always the easiest to navigate, and you can see that in the gray bar. So again, highlight it, hit edit, and see your caption? Change this to op description so that you know more of what it is. Hit OK. Hit OK again, and it'll refresh for you. And now you know that that's op description. So now let's take a look at setting this default group as your default lookup. Go to Tools, Options, and your main view is Account, and your default lookup, change from all accounts, go find your default group. This is the one I just created. You can even change your default lookup condition. I prefer starting with. Hit Save. And now when you right click on accounts and you look up, you'll see that it changed my lookup condition to default to starting with. And now here's all the items I put in there. So now I can look up by op description, contact, or account, all from the account lookup. As always, you can add lines to create multiple layers of what you want to see in one lookup. You can change these to equal to, contains. So you can change all the conditions and all the lookups you do here. And one other thing to note, in quick and easy lookups of data, is utilizing your filters on the right-hand side. So if you just quickly want to see Alabama, there you go. So that's a quick way to navigate and set up default groups to quickly access data in Infor CRM.